Look at them new wheels though, man. We're flexing out there. Yo! Hey guys, and welcome to the first vlog of this whole build of the Firebird. It is currently Monday the 12th November, and it is pouring rain out. Like, I can't see anything out the car. I'm literally sitting inside my car with this little cheap like $10 AutoZone heater thing that can heat like one area of the window up, so I can actually see out the car. Cause look at this, that's just ridiculous. So welcome to the first vlog of this drift car racing build, Trans Am build. I don't even know what to call it yet. Like call the car, call the build, or whatever. So this was like the perfect day actually to like bring the car in, bring the Firebird under the knife, if you know what I mean. Cause it's pouring rain out and it's shitty weather and it's literally like becoming minus degrees outside, and like it's really winter, sucky weather, you know what I mean? So it's the perfect day to like, okay, let's take it in. And I'm the kind of guy who drives this car all year, every day, snowstorm, whatever, right? But I gotta admit, it feels really good to like take care of it and drive it inside in a nice heated garage. Apropos heat, let's just get the heater on. There we go. Very nice, very nice. Sorry about the noise, this is probably gonna be the future of the videos with that running in the background. I'll try to turn it off now and then. But welcome to the garage, if you guys haven't seen it yet, and this is where it's all gonna go down. We're gonna take the Firebird over at the 240 Turbo place, so it's easy to like drive a car in and out. And then also then we have like perfectly located a little workbench here, you know what I mean? That's gonna be like straight in front of the car. Of course, the front of the Firebird gonna be here, because that's what we're gonna be working on. A quick, like, I don't know, update or whatever. What's actually going down on the car is we're gonna take the engine out. I mean, fenders, front, the hood, every single thing off the front. I mean, this winter we're gonna go all in on the front end, and we got some insane parts that we're also going to install. This is only gonna be an update video where we just like we took the car in, you know, and hey, very nice. Next video probably gonna be a review of my daily. This is a video like, I don't know, a day or two after I actually picked up my daily driver. So I'm probably gonna do a video on that because it's kind of cool. I don't know, I honestly am pretty happy about it. It's a pretty good purchase that right there. Very nice car, very damn nice boy. Oh, and yeah, next video gonna be a lot more interesting. There's gonna be like building stuff, tearing apart stuff. That's gonna be actual stuff. This is just like an update video. So and then there might also gonna be a little video of the last time of this car actually driving, you know what I mean? There's a little road out here behind us, out in the industrial area where we're located. And I'm probably just gonna take the car out, you know, and rip it around. But in this video, I wanna show a real quick like recap of the car, so, like in memory of it, because I have no single damn idea about when the car gonna run again. You know how it is about projects, right? You take it in and you be like, hey, I'm just gonna do brakes and maybe some suspension, and then it's done in a week and we're ready to race. 3 years later, and you bought another project car for some stupid reason, and the one you already had is not finished, and you know how it goes, right? So I'll do like a little recap video, put it in here at the end, and then I'll return to you guys.
It's your thing. Do what you wanna do. I can't tell you who to stop to.
So, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe down below. Don't forget to also share this channel and stuff like that. If you know anybody who is really interested in muscle car builds and stuff like that, that's gonna go a lot down on this channel. And I'm gonna try my hardest to like do daily uploading. Like, probably take my laptop out here in the workshop and sit to like, I don't know, 9-10 p.m. every single day and like get some videos up and etc. Might not sound that late, but your boy gotta wake up at 5 and go to work till 4, and yeah, I'm gonna try to put it in. Look at my hair looks so stupid right now. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and a subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another video. I'm so hyped for this. It's gonna be so good. Look at them brake dusty wheels right there. Aren't they just nice?